Good morning, my lovelies. It is Wednesday, currently 11:27, and I'm starting off the vlog. So hey guys, what is up? My name is Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle and beats videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, this is a new vlog. You know, always don't know what's happening in the vlog, just always have to start a vlog because you know you have to start somewhere and hopefully it ends up somewhere. So basically I should have vlogged yesterday, but I did not. We actually had like a little thing for a friend of mine, one of our church friends. Like a few of us just went around, you know, just celebrated with her. It wasn't her birthday yesterday, but it was on Monday, so we just celebrated with her and all, you know. I didn't film anything for today, and I don't know if I'm gonna like put in any other clips that I did film. I'm not sure. But yeah, just currently waiting on my class to enter. There's nobody in there right now, just my empty class, me just waiting on them to arrive. But anyways, I'm just watching some YouTube in the meantime and marking some books as well. So yeah, that is what I'm up to at the moment. Currently watching Ashley. I'm trying to watch out my entire watch later playlist. I've gone through about 5 videos from morning. Just trying to watch it out. I have been behind on so many videos, guys. My ear pull up already, the front parts, and just scratch me. So I don't know. Might still TikToks, might not. Who knows? But yeah, that's what's going on. Just wanted to let you guys know what's going on. So if anything interesting comes up, then I will notify you guys on, you know, what's going on and all of that. So yeah. guys. We kind of forgot to turn off the pump, so my phone can turn it off right now. This is what happens when you don't have good water system from the public. Yeah, end up have to like buy a pump, and the pump get trouble, so kind of have to make sure that we turn it off occasionally, right? So yeah, I'm gonna close that. There's nobody's out here at the moment. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was mostly just like clean with me and just pretty much setting up my classes, but I hope you guys enjoyed my little clean with me video. It wasn't much, but that's pretty much what I did. Nothing exciting otherwise. I didn't film anything else for the week, just having some weeks that I just really don't know what to film. I have things like sit down videos to film, but I haven't gotten the chance to film it. But like vlogging wise, I don't have much vlogging to do because I don't go anywhere. I'm not doing much, so I just don't vlog, and that results in me not having videos to post, sorry. So I hope you guys will forgive me, and yeah, so thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that bell so you're notified every time I make a video. If you guys would like to contact me otherwise, you can go ahead and contact me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. You can even follow me on TikTok, and all those will be in the description down below. If you guys would like to use the music that I use, it will also be in the description down below. I always link those down below because these are content creators that are creating their music, so I always have to give them credit for it. So none of the music in the videos are actually mine. I actually download them from YouTube and then just talk about them, like give them credit for it in the description. So make sure that if you want the songs, that you just check in my description for that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.